Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So this is day 3. So you're going to be working on design a future community building inclusive versus exclusive. So your directions are pretty straightforward. Today you're just going to be answering those 4 questions below, explaining whether your community building or organization is going to be inclusive or exclusive. What I want you to remember when you're picking this is that inclusive means you include everybody. So everyone in the community would be welcome in your community building or organization. And if you're going to be exclusive, I want you to be able to explain to me why you're going to be exclusive, because as we talked about before, there are instances where being exclusive is helpful. We talked about celebrations of heritage or communities that focus specifically, community organizations and buildings that focus specifically on celebrating specific cultural backgrounds, languages, and things of that nature. But on the other side of it, being exclusive can be hurtful. Like we talked about, it can lead to this sense of otherness, which we call xenophobia. So I want you to be able to justify why your community building would be exclusive. So you need to explain to me why it would be helpful. So you are welcome to choose being inclusive, allowing everyone, or being exclusive. I just want you to be able to justify either position. So you're going to answer these 4 questions. So will your community building or organization be inclusive or exclusive? Very straightforward. You just say one or the other. How will being inclusive or exclusive be helpful to your community building or organization, and why? So I want you to provide a little more detail. This should be at least 2 sentences. So I want you to be able to tell me specifically why it will be helpful. What things about being inclusive would be helpful? What things about being exclusive would be helpful? Question 3 is, what are the possible disadvantages to being inclusive or exclusive? Because there are downsides to each. Sometimes being inclusive means that you need more funding or you're going to need more volunteers. So make sure that you can give some specifics on that question. And then the last question is only for those who have chosen to be exclusive. Who will be included and who will be excluded? So I want you to be able to tell me why you're going to pick the people to be included and why you're going to be able to pick the people that are going to be excluded. So that should be, again, about 2 sentences long. All right, and again, feel free to email me if you have any questions, concerns, comments. I'm here to help.